Is it any eye boogers in my eye?
I think you're good.
You good? I'm good? Okay. Well, man, let's get straight to the point, man. I got a mod for Carnage. As you know, that's Carnage. For those who are new to and like I said, man, I didn't even say it, but big shout out to my subscribers, man. Subscribers, I love y'all. In case y'all didn't know, you do it now. I love you. But yeah, we got a mod for Carnage. It's gonna be these right here. Bam.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
So you're like, what the hell are those? We're gonna try to see how these go right here. We're gonna try to bring this out a little more, make it look more aggressive. It's an open vent, which look aggressive, but we wanted to look aggressive from the side too. So I got these right here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put those on the side, and hopefully it works out. You know what I'm saying? If it don't, we're gonna rip them motherfuckers off and throw them in the trash. How much do these cost, Christine?
It's $16.
These are $16 on eBay. Probably can get them on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can get them on Amazon too. I'm not for sure if it's 16. I'm just throwing it out. It's 16. It was $16 for me. It could be $5 for you today, because you know it changed. Prices vary. Maybe try to find a better deal. So don't worry about the price. Just know I paid 16, but I don't know what the price is. It could be anything. Prices vary. But yeah, we're gonna try to make this mod, make it look good, and I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second, because what I'm gonna do is cut these out so it'll be easier for me. If I can't leave them in the paper like this, it won't work. So what I'm gonna do is cut these off, and it is what it is, and I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second.
Just smooth it over with a rag.
It looks good. You hear me? Looks real good.
This is gonna go on. It'll be fine where it's cut.